Hey friends, welcome back to Bitwise Smarter, the place where Python becomes easy, friendly, and way less dramatic than choosing a movie on Netflix. Before we begin, I'll be using PyCharm as my IDE for this tutorial. You can use any editor you like, but if you want your screen to look exactly like mine, PyCharm is the one to go with. Today we are covering the core essentials you absolutely need before diving into real world projects. You will learn how to print things, how to control and combine text, how to ask users for information, how to store that information, and how to name your variables without confusing future you. By the end, you'll write Python confidently like someone who finally figured out their perfect coffee order. Section 1, Printing to the console. Let's start with Python's loudspeaker, the print function. Type this, print, I need more snacks. Hit run. Boom. Python announces your truth to the universe. Print function works like this. Print is the command, parenthesis holds what you want to display, and the quotes tell Python, this is text, show it, don't overthink it. If you remove a quote, print, I need more snacks, Python throws a syntax error because your string is now lopsided and confusing. Add the code back and everything is calm again. Now, let's talk about extra spaces. Try this. Print, coding is fun. This is the clean version. Now let's try printing the second line. There's an extra space between print and the parentheses. Fun fact, Python doesn't care. PyCharm doesn't care. Both run perfectly, but tiny inconsistencies add up over time. So the clean version is print, coding is fun. PyCharm won't judge you for that extra space, but future you might, and future you can be very dramatic. Section 2, String Manipulations and New Lines. You can print multiple lines like this. Print water, print tea, print juice. But here's the fancy version. Print water, backslash n tea, backslash n juice. Backslash n is the new line symbol. When Python sees it, it interprets it as move to the next line, just like pressing enter. Backslash n doesn't show up in your output as characters. It transforms into a new line break. Imagine your text is a long ribbon, and every backslash n folds that ribbon neatly onto the next row. Your output stays tidy instead of running off the screen like an overstuffed burrito. Double backslash n makes a blank line. That's Python's version of dramatic spacing. Next is combining strings, concatenation. Let's say drink equal to latte and size equal to large. Print size plus drink prints large latte, a powerful beverage but not readable. Add a space. Now you get large space latte. We love clarity. Where space matters. Spaces inside quotes are fine. Spaces at the start of a line? Nope. Print high with a space at the start, that gives an indentation error. But this is allowed, a space between print and the parentheses. Not ideal, but valid. Section 3, the input function. Let's make Python interactive. Try, input, what snack are you craving right now? Python prints your prompt, waits patiently, and continues once you hit enter. Mix input function and print function. Print, you choose, plus input, what snack are you craving, plus exclamation mark. a tiny conversation. Think of input function like a suggestion box at a cafe. You write anything you want on a card and drop it inside. Python picks up your card and reads your message exactly as text. Numbers, words, emojis. To Python, it's all string. Even if the user types 42, Python treats it as 42, which is a string. Section 4. Variables. Let's store the user's answer. Snack equal to input, pick a random snack. Now the text is saved inside snack. Reuse it anytime. Print snack. Think of variables as labeled jars in your kitchen. Flour equal to 2 cups, sugar equal to 1 cup. You can open them, change them, reuse them. Example, status equal to hungry, which prints status equal to hungry. Now, when we update the status equal to full, it prints status equal to full. Python doesn't argue, it updates the jars. Now, let's try a mini challenge. Ask the user for a snack, store it, count the letters, print the result. Pause here and try it. Here is a probable solution. Snack equal to input stores the text. Length of snack counts the characters. String count converts the number to a text. Print displays the final message. Hear it how it goes. Simple, readable steps. Perfect practice. Section 5. Variable naming. Python allows this. X equal to burger, Y is equal to length of X. But that's confusing later. Here's your golden rule. Name your variables like you name your pets. Cute, clear, and not confusing. Instead of f equal to input favorite fruit and L equal to length of f, do favorite fruit equal to input favorite fruit, fruit length is equal to length of favorite fruit. Naming rules. No spaces. Favorite space fruit equal to mango is not allowed. Use underscores instead. Favorite underscore fruit equal to mango. No starting with a number. 2 cake equal to chocolate will throw an error. Instead, cake 2 equal to chocolate is allowed. Avoid using Python keywords and built-in names as variables as it is a bad practice because it shadows the original built-in, making it inaccessible in that scope. Also, keywords are reserved words that have special meaning in Python syntax. Example, if, for, class, none. You cannot use them as variable names. Doing so will cause a syntax error even before the code runs. Check spellings. SNAK equal to pretzel, but if I print snack with the correct spelling, it will throw name error. Let's put it all together. Create a script that asks for your favorite drink, asks where you enjoy it, counts letters in the drink's name, prints a multi-line message, uses concatenation plus \n, ends with an exclamation. Pause here and try it. Here is a probable solution. 2 inputs gather the user's choices. Length of drink counts characters. String converts numbers for printing. \n formats everything neatly. Final message uses all the skills you learned today. This is how it looks like. And that's a wrap. You survived errors, tamed Python's mood swings, and leveled up your coding confidence. If this video helped you, hit like, hit subscribe, and tell me in the comments what you're drinking. what you're snacking on, and one funny bug you caused today. Thanks for watching Bitwise Smarter, and I'll see you in the next video.